Hi team, quick instructions on how to use the Dudley lock on your assigned locker. The lock that I'm using today has a combination of 59, 41, 21. First thing you're going to do is clear your lock by turning the dial a couple of times clockwise. Next, you find your first number. Our first number is 59. Rotate the dial clockwise to the number 59. Our second number is 41. Rotate the dial counterclockwise, a full revolution past the 0, stopping on 41. Our third number is 21. Rotating the dial clockwise, stopping on 21. Give a firm tug, your lock will pop open, and you're finished.